Hey Des, I've done some drops now. I've done Grim Reaper Pixie at the top, Ares to the right, Warlock to the bottom, and Cupid to the left. Now, hopefully I can get some nice procs going. If not, it's going to be a bit of a difficult one. But I'm going to keep trying. It's persistence that's key. And also taking note of that little percentage counter that is to our bottom right side. No, don't. No, 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 no. Die, 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 die. Must kill it. No. Alright, good thing. If we can get one more proc. There we are. So I'm going to drop a whole bunch of troops to just go through, eat the bombs. So we've got some stacks going. 1 tower down. 2 tower down. Come on, Cupid. Come on. No. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. It's all or nothing. Alright. You definitely hold it to me for this run. I botched it up pretty hard. I might have to start using Ornithopters instead. It just guards me because it's just really hard to do. But, oh well, 2-star, 220 points. Hopefully we still get over that 1000 mark.